cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing.
Newton's laws. Newton's first law of motion says an object in motion will stay in motion and an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted on an unbalanced force. This tendency to resist change in motion is called inertia. The more mass an object has, the greater the inertia.
I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got a love and I know that it's all mine. Do what you want, but you're never gonna break me. Sticks and stones are never gonna shake me.
Once you let go of the ball will continue on its initial velocity until acted on.
Take me away, a secret place, a sweet escape. Take me away.
Watch this. When the ball leaves my hand, the speed of the ball will stay the same until an unknown force acts on it.
Wish that you could, but you ain't gonna own me. Do anything you can to control me.
The second law of motion states that there are forces of an object equal to the mass of its acceleration. The acceleration of an object depends on its mass. The more mass an object has, or the more inertia it has, the harder it is to accelerate. More mass means less acceleration, for the force acting on the object is the same.
Take me away.
A girl weighing 40 kilograms is going 20 meters per second with an acceleration of 4.8 meters per second squared. The force she is exerting is 96 newtons. Trump's wall exerts more force, causing the girl to stop. In my hands, I have an onion and a baseball. Both objects will have the same drop time and acceleration. However, since the onion has a greater mass, it has a greater total force, which is why the onion left a greater divot.
And I call it home, and there's no more lies, and the darkness is light, and nobody.
Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is equal and an opposite reaction. When one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal force in the opposite direction of the first object. When you pull a ball on Newton's cradle and release the ball, it swings and hits the next ball with the same and equal force. The force Grace throws the football is the same force Nolan's head experiences.
Take me away.